Are you looking for quicker shifts in your 15 plus WRX 6-speed? Of course you are. This is the Torque Solution Short Throw Shift Kit. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Torque Solution Short Throw Shifter, specific for the 15 plus WRX 6-speed. Sorry all you CVT owners out there, but this one's for manual guys only. Check it out. Okay. This is the short throw shifter, which if you live in the Subaru world, this seems very, very funky because we're also used to having a short throw shifter be an actual lever, right? Well, Subaru decided in their infinite wisdom, hey, you know what the WRX guys want? They want a cable actuated shifter. We know because we're smart, we're Subaru. And so they went ahead and installed a cable shifter. So the benefits of that is we get short throw shifters like this. I guess, I don't know if that's a benefit. Honestly, no. Cable shifters suck, which is why we need stuff like this in order to make it better. So this replaces your factory shift lever that attaches to the transmission itself. Now, this reduces the throw in between gears. So it's basically just a different, your factory one maybe is like that tall. This one is like that tall. That's the only difference. Installation isn't all that fun, to be honest with you. You have to remove some heat shields. You have to really get up in there, remove the factory one, punch a pin out, remove the bushing and bearing and blah, 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 and you're going to curse it. But once you get it installed, it is worth it. I promise you, it makes a massive, massive difference. The factory shifter leaves a lot to be desired, and by shortening that throw in between gears makes a very big difference, makes the car much more fun to drive. Plus, for all you weight junkies out there, you're removing a big chunk of aluminum off of that transmission, and by replacing it with this little guy. So it definitely makes the shifts a lot more snappy, but you don't have that weight. You know how some people like weighted shift knobs because of the way it feels? You kind of get rid of that, but you get a lot more quickness in between shifts, if that makes sense. So you can always regain that weighted feel just with a heavier shift knob. But you save some weight, you get quicker shifts, it feels a lot better. It's the way that this transmission should have been from the factory, let's be perfectly honest. But it's a very cool little product, and very simple. Installation, not the most fun thing in the world, but honestly, anybody with some basic hand tools, a little bit of patience, and skin like crocodile should be able to do it without a problem. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. See you guys next time.